Hey guys, we're doing 4 box break part 1, team draw at 6:59, 28 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll participants. We're going 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, I should have to start making noise now. And the teams now. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Random is complete, and the teams are Thomas, Rockets, Andrew Hunt, Pacers, Millie, Nuggets, Jack, Grizz, Jerome with the Wolves, Tony, Blazers, Zakavancic, Spurs, Mr. Hewitt, Jazz, Benji, Heat, James, Warriors, Scott, Pistons, Timothy, Mavericks, Mr. Barnes, Cavs, Mr. Gallo, Sixers, Jeremy, Hawks, Joel, Bucks, Jade, Raptors, Mr. Lalaga, Lakers, Stretchy Boy, Wizards, Jamie Grant from Blunt, Magic, Paps, Bulls, Shane Scott, Kings, Grant, McDonald, Hornets, Mr. Milan, Thunder, Ruben, Knicks, Paps with Pelicans, Jamie with Celtics, Carlos, Suns, Jacob Warren, Nets, and Benny Osmond, Clippers, and that's the teams.